Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin still holding on to 62,800, around 63K. Down in this sideways chop on the daily, but volume on the weekend didn't drop off much, which was quite interesting. Still dropped off a little bit, but still strong volume, especially the last few weeks. Guru coming to everyone like Santa. Guys, if you get private messaged by me, it's fake. I will never private message you. I'll never ask you for money. There's many fake accounts of me. Be very, very cautious. I don't privately message anyone. $2.2 trillion market cap. 296,000 total viewers, Bitcoin price.live. This website's only a few months old. Amazing. You can set it up on your TV as well, and you have all the charts, and it switches between. We had a big V-shaped recovery of 59, and now we're holding, it looks like a bull flag here on the 15-minute chart, 1 hour charts. Pole, flag, ready to go. This distance will be the distance of the pole. You learn it in the crypto master course. So we're going to get a big pump to 65 in my opinion. Bitcoin, Bybit has a 60K bonus if you use this QR code. And we have the World Series of Trading, which is currently on right now, $10 million prize. We're at 50 neutral right now, out of greed, 53% dominance, funding fee slightly positive, 62,846, Bitcoin price.live. You can set it up on your TV. And we're pumping a little bit right now. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $670,000 account. I'm going to show you Ethereum trades, and I'm going to read your comments. There's quite a lot of requests for SUI, which I'm also holding. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and it's already reset, but SUI still pumping, which is beautiful. SUI up 4%, Meta, and then the rest of it already reset. Let's go Bitcoin 62,853. All of this watch list, I'm either seed investing or own or hold these tokens. The weekly candle finishes in 3 minutes, everyone, 3 minutes and 44 seconds. So we're going to get the weekly close right now. And this is a hammer candle, a Japanese candlestick. I'll mute the drawings so you can see it. This is a Japanese candlestick. This one here, it's a hammer candle. A hammer candle is when the price opens here, drops, and then recovers and closes at the same price where it opened. So we're about to, which is a bullish pattern because it dropped and then came back up. This is a weekly candle. So this last week, it finishes in 3 minutes. Bitcoin went from 64,000 was the high, 64,464, the low 58,900 where we bought it, and we're back at 62. So it's causing a hammer candle. With 3 minutes left, which is a great bullish indicator for Bitcoin. Stochastic still heading up. Squeeze Mob still going green. Bitcoin indicator bot, James Crypto Guru bot fired a buy in February 2023 at 20,000. Still a blue buy right now. Stayed blue. You get it at jamescryptoguru.com in the crypto master course. Bitcoin indicator bot last week fired a sell. Last week it fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy 2 weeks ago now. Let's go into the daily. Daily stochastic heading up. Descending wedge playing out, as I said. Descending wedge builds pressure and breaks out. The target 65K. That played out nicely. We're getting a little bit of a W formation. And you can see still the main channel is this. So it's very possible we still come down to 50K. Because you can see here, 60K, 70K, 53K, 69K, 48K, 65K, 52K, 65K, 59K. So still possible we come to 50K, but it is looking less likely. It looks like we're at the end of this bull flag, and at some point, this massive bull flag is going to break out. It's also a massive cup and handle. When you zoom out more, you see a huge cup and handle. As I teach you the two main patterns that I teach you in the Crypto Master course. Take the course to understand. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. 4-hourly bull flag showing, and on the hourly, you can see it, pole and flag. We will go the distance of the bull flag. So the distance that we can move from this potential. Let's go onto the hourly. You can see it more clearly. This is a little bull flag forming here. The distance of the pole is the distance that we can move. So this distance here to the base of the pole, if Bitcoin breaks out here, target will be 66K. Where I would take a trade, if not yet in one, I would keep this trade from yesterday. 61,000, stop loss 59,500, take profit 78K. Risk to reward is 11 times, risking 1,400 to make 17,700 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it would be 170,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I would keep that trade because we could easily have a week down of 1 or 2K to activate it, in my opinion. But it does look like we're close to a massive breakout on Bitcoin. Now you're going to see my trades. My $667,000 account, 667,000. Last week I went from 643 was the low, so I made 24,000 last week. On the month, from 613 to 739, so I made around 120,000, and then it dropped back down to it dropped to a low of 645, and now we're back at 667. So I still up on the month around $54,000. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video. Down below, you can sign up to Bybit. There's a $10 million prize pool, World Series of Trading. It's finishing at the end of this month. So we have about 2 weeks left until the WSOT finishes. $10 million prize pool. CoinW giving a $3,000 bonus. Take the Crypto Master Course and join us in the Telegram, jamescryptoguru.com. To learn all of this. And the World Series of Trading is currently on with Bybit up until the 31st of October. So 2 weeks left. You can scan this QR code, pause the video, scan this QR code, or use the link in the description. $10 million prize pool, 563,000 team reward, individual 1 million. First 10 users get $70, but that's already finished. Trade 50K to win crazy lucky draw, Rolexes, world-class tickets, yachts. Scan this QR code and join us in the WSOT. Let's go over into my Bitcoin trade. My Bitcoin trade right now, this is my trades. You can see here, these are my last trades on Bitcoin that we can see. Let's see how far it goes back. It shows only this one. So this was my sell at 65K, my buy at 52K. Then my sell at 62K, then my buy at 59K, which was exactly the bottom, and now we're in profits. Funding fee slightly negative, so I'm getting paid to keep this trade open. It's $11,289 in profits. I opened this trade, I had said it in my video, I think on Thursday, and now it's 93% in profits, 11,000. I've paid total $209 in fees for $11,265 profit, $240,000 Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. This is on leverage trade, on futures. Up here on spot, you can see my spot buys were also amazing. My Bitcoin spot buys. You can see here, here where I bought Bitcoin, here where I sold Bitcoin, and then here where I bought Bitcoin. And I exactly caught the bottom on the spot buy, 58,900. Perfect catch on the bottom there. This is my asset breakdown, 20% of in Bitcoin, 37% in cash, 200,000, but it's really, in cash, I've got 118,000 in derivatives plus 200,000. So I've got 318,000 of this 667,000 account in cash. So it's technically 50% cash, 20% Bitcoin, 13% MCRT, Doge 9%, World 8%, Uni 7%, SUI 3%. And let's see what's up today. USDT 203, Bitcoin slightly down 113K, 1.8. MCRT slightly down 73K. Doge slightly even 49K. World 46K slightly even. Uniswap down 5%, 42K. SUI up 4%. SUI pumping. Remember when I bought 50K at $2? Now we're up around 15% since we bought it. But then I sold half, so I closed my position from 30,000 I bought. Closed half, 15,000. So my 15,000 is now 17,000. So I made $2,000 on SUI. Big congratulations who bought SUI on that breakout. I closed half because it failed the breakout, I thought, but it is breaking out right now, which is beautiful. Let's see some of your comments. And James, do you still believe 51K is possible? Looking less likely, but always possible. I would make sure my liquidation below 50. Can you do Uniswap? Yes. Great video, Guru. Please do Litecoin. If there's more requests, you're a good man, James. Thank you, Ceylon. Shouldn't have sold that SUI. True. I had $30,000 SUI and closed half. I would have made $4,000 profit instead of $2,000. Hey man, I'm from Belarus. Can you do ARB? Hello. Please do Pepe. Funny when you read comments. I think the same about these haters. It's true. SUI, please. James, please do SUI. Let's do SUI because it's pumping right now. Congratulations whoever bought SUI with me at $2. But you have to always do your own due diligence, everyone. I don't want you to follow my trades. I want you to learn how I trade and learn for yourself. So why I bought SUI? Because I saw someone asked me to do SUI and I saw this massive W formation and I said, oh shit, SUI is about to pump. At $2, I bought $30,000 worth and now it's pumped. And we were buying, I remember talking about SUI on the bottom actually at 48 cents. So whoever bought back then when I did that SUI video, you're up 400% since we bought it. But when I bought it a few days ago at $2, we're up from there already as well. When I bought it here, 193, we're already up 23%, which is amazing. But this W formation, everyone, has broken out on SUI. Massive W, and it's already broken out. It retested as well and got a bounce with volume. So this looks good to go. $3.40 was the target. I bought $30,000 worth of SUI here. And then when it broke down and came back in, I closed it slightly in profit. I closed from 30,000, I closed 15,000 of it. And then it went down more. And then we've bounced back. And that's and my target of this big W breakout is $3.40. And you can see here, I've still got, I'm still holding, I had $30,000 SUI, closed half, so I had 15,000 left, and now that 15,000 has become 17,000. So it made 2,000. I would have made 4,000 if I kept that spot, but that's okay. Those are the questions. You can join us in the Telegram as well, jamescryptoguru.com. 115 of you are online right now. People discussing, this is a fake scammer, everyone. Report them, ban them. I'll never privately message you. I'll never ask you for money. Elon Musk landed the rockets backwards.
You can see those chopsticks now.
Incredible. They caught the rocket. They caught the rocket with the arms, and people think Tesla's not going to go crazy. I'm very heavy Tesla that we bought at 141. We're already at 210 or 220. I'm still holding all my Tesla, and this is what everyone's discussing. And also follow me on X. I've got 92,100 followers, jamescryptoguru.com. Read these two, Peace in the Heavens and Be Very Careful What You Think and What You Speak. Those were my Bitcoin trades when I bought on spot and leverage, which is beautiful. And things, there was an arena league yesterday for Magic Craft. Not working, but it was working. Which way, Western men? This guy, or Elon Musk with Trump. Magic Craft tournament sending me final round, bracket revealed. That's cool. This was my peace message. And my peace message now has 90,000 views, everyone. 90,000 views, which is amazing. 90,000 views. And it's all the quotes from people. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they should be called the children of God. Better than 1,000 hollowed words is one word that brings peace. That's how you know who's a person of God or who's a person of peace. It's the people that are trying to bring... Donald Trump says he will not send any money or weapons to Ukraine. He will end the war with Russia in 24 hours if elected. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are in the description or pinned comment. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're going to have a great week this week. Bitcoin looking pumpy, holding its position on Sunday. Let's see how the CME gap opens and Monday morning starts trading. But Bitcoin is looking quite bullish, but it is going into the election in 20 days, so it could get heated depending on that. And congratulations, anyone that helped Elon Musk send up those rockets and beautiful. Elon Musk wants to come in. If Donald Trump wins, Elon Musk says he's going to come in and he's going to try and remove 80% of the government. And if you know anything about economics, you should be back. I'm an economist. I love economics. I love macroeconomics. I love technical analysis. I read a lot about it. Trust me, you want Trump to get in. You do not want socialism and communism. That's what Harris and Biden did, and that's why you're having this massive inflation, huge prices, and just bad market and bad vibes. You want capitalism. You want entrepreneurs creating amazing businesses and companies, hiring many people, and that's Trump and Elon. And you want to get rid of the bureaucrats as much as possible. Elon wants to come in and fire 80% of them, leave 20% of the government. If that happens, we will enter the golden age of humanity, everyone. Make sure it happens. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.